my nose is stuffed and it'll never end and I don't know what to do. I'm gonna blow my nose and try to... I know it's not like... It's not anything that's making me stuff my nose. It's just my sinus, but give it 1 second. Okay. Yep, that didn't do anything. Well, we tried. Anyways, next person. Sinuses can dry the throat? I did not know that. We wanted to hear. Well, too bad. I think blowing your nose is kind of rude. Like, okay, fine. I won't mute when I sneeze. But like blowing your nose, if I can remember to mute, I will. I don't know. This is kind of gross. It's blowing your nose, guys. It's mucus. Come on. We're not gonna argue about this, okay? Chat is just weird. Yeah, chat is weird. We're not gonna argue about this, okay? Would you ever, like, if somebody was at the dinner table and they blew their nose, like, would you be like, oh, that's so cute? Or would you be like, bro, can you go to the fucking bathroom and blow your nose? Or at least, like, go in a corner or something? It's kind of rude, no? Exactly.